Hmm.
Hello, good evening, students. Today we will study about the balanced diet. Balanced diet means the food which we add, it should be balanced. Means the diet should also contain the good amount of roughage, water, and the nutrients. Such diet is called the balanced diet. Generally, we eat the food in our daily life for the growth and the maintenance of good health. It means our diet should have all the nutrients which our body requires, and the nutrients which we eat, they should be in a right quantities. It means it should not neither to be in a very large extent nor in a very small extent. It should be taken in a right quantity. So the balanced diet means the diet which we eat should contain all the nutrients in right quantity, and also it should contain roughage and water. Such type of diet is called as the balanced diet. So students, you eat the diet, balanced diet. Nowadays it is the time of lockdown, and you all should in your houses, and if you are in house it means you are in safe mode. So especially nowadays you should take balanced diet. It means in your food all the nutrients, it means carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, roughage, and proper amount of water should be present. Is it clear to all of you? You should take balanced diet daily. It means you should take dal, roti, chawal, salad, curd, and proper amount of water in your diet. And do you also think the balanced diet, it would depends on the amount of the physical work that we do. It means if you are doing very hard physical work, it means you should take the proper amount of the food. It means it should be balanced. Clear? So when you eat the food, you should check that all the nutrients are present in your diet or not. And the food such as pulses, groundnut, soya bean, sprouted seeds, and fermented food such as idli, a combination of flours, banana, spinach, sattu, available vegetables, and other such foods provide many nutrients. Therefore, one can eat a balanced diet without expensive food material. And eating the right kind of food is not enough. It means it should be cooked in a proper amount. So the nutrients are, it means when you eat the cooked food, it should not be cooked very high temperature. It should be cooked properly so that all the nutrients may be present in your food. They will not lost. If the vegetable and fruits are washed after cutting or peeling, it may result the loss of some vitamins because skin of the many vegetables and fruits, they also contains many minerals, vitamins. We know that cooking, if we cook the food, it improves the taste of the food and it becomes very easier to digest. And cooking also results the loss of some certain nutrients if it is heated at very high temperature. And many useful proteins and amount of the minerals are lost if excess water is used during cooking. And these nutrients then throw away. Vitamin C, it gets destroyed by heat during cooking. It means you should take vitamin C in cold water. It means at normal room temperature water. So you should thought that fats would be the best food to eat all times. Is it clear? If you take fat, it is good for your health. If you take fat daily and all times, it will be the beneficial for all of you. No, a bowl of fat will give much more energy than a bowl of carbohydrate. So you should not take much amount of the fat in your body because due to fattiness many diseases may occur in your body. You should not take very fried food like samosa, puri, etc. And if you take large amount of the fat daily, so you may suffer from obesity. Obesity, you can see the diagram of this. Obesity means fatness will appear in your body. So you should not take much amount of the fat in your body. Is it clear? And there are some diseases which can arise due to deficiency of many minerals, vitamins, carbohydrates, proteins, etc. So if we do not take proper amount of the diet, if it means if you are not taking balanced diet, it's showing that you may occur. It means that deficiency of the nutrients may cause disease in your body. So that is called as the deficiency diseases. And deficiency of disease can be, can you see in this table? Suppose vitamin A. If in your body deficiency of vitamin A, then the disease that can occur, that is loss of vision. Okay, if you are not taking proper amount of vitamin A, it means the disease that is loss of vision. And what are the symptoms of deficiency of vitamin A? That is poor vision. आपको दिखना कम हो जाएगा. Loss of vision and darkness. रात के टाइम आपको दिखाई नहीं देगा. Sometimes complete loss of vision. जब बहुत ज़्यादा डेफिशिएंसी हो जाएगी विटामिन ए की, इट मीन्स देयर विल बी द कंप्लीट लॉस ऑफ विजन. दिखना ही बंद हो जाएगा. सो यू शुड take vitamin A in your diet. Vitamin A may be present in papaya, yellow fruits, and carrots. So you should daily take carrots and papaya. Vitamin B, vitamin B1. If deficiency of vitamin B1, then the disease may occur, that is beriberi. And how can you identify that in your body deficiency of vitamin B1? There are symptoms such as weak muscles and weak little energy, very little energy to work. That means you feel weakness in your body due to deficiency of vitamin B1. And vitamin C, deficiency of vitamin C, it causes the disease scurvy. Vitamin C deficiency symptoms are bleeding gums and wounds take longer time to heal. यदि आपको कोई चोट लग गई है तो उसको भरने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, यदि आपको विटामिन सी की डेफिशिएंसी है. इट मीन्स यू शुड टेक citrus food such as orange, lemon. So vitamin C is helpful and you cannot occur the disease scurvy. Vitamin D, due to deficiency of vitamin D, the disease that is rickets. And symptoms of deficiency of vitamin D are bones become soft and bent. So due to deficiency of vitamin D, the problem occur in our bones. And deficiency of calcium. Due to deficiency of calcium, your bones and tooth decay problem. So the symptoms are deficiency of calcium are weak bones and tooth decay. And iodine, the mineral iodine, if it's present in less amount in your body, if the deficiency of iodine, then the disease that is called as the goiter. And symptoms that glands in the neck appear swollen. आपके गले में ऊपर उभार सा दिखाई देने लगेगा. It means glands, neck में gland होती है, so that becomes and neck appears swollen. आपको लगेगा कि आपका गले में सूजन सी आ गई है. And mental disability in the children. These are the symptoms for the deficiency of iodine. If deficiency of iron in your body, then the disease that is called as anemia. And due to deficiency of iron, weakness will appear in your body. So these are the diseases caused due to deficiency of vitamins and minerals. So we summarize that the balanced food, it requires proper amount of the carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, dietary fibers and water. All these should be present in proper amount in your body. That is called as the balanced diet. Thank you.